What is up guys, my name is Talha and you are watching Gadgets Sphere. So this is the full review of H12 Pro Plus, one of the best smartwatches you can get in the market. Let's get started. So I have been using this watch since about 30 days now, so I can actually tell you the things which I really like, and obviously everything is not perfect about smartwatches. Some things are obviously bad, but let's just talk about the good stuff and the bad stuff and tell you why I think this is still worth it. So the number one thing which I really like about this watch is actually the strap quality. Now this is one of the most comfortable straps I have ever used in a smartwatch watch, and on top of that the back is made out of plastic, which does mean that it's not very heavy. It does get scratches, but the sides are metal, which ensures a very good safety and durability standard, which I really like. So now let's just talk about the display of this watch, and guys, believe me, this is one of the most beautiful displays I have ever seen in a smartwatch, which cost only 3000 Indian rupees. Like guys, this has full bezel-less H12 display, and wow, the way it shows colors, the way it shows the brightness and everything, it's just outstanding. I just really like the display. And yeah, it also has a lot of pre-built watch faces, and we have a lot of other stuff as well. So let me just tap and hold and show you the watch faces it has. So let's just switch to this one. Now as you guys can see, the colors look incredible in this display. The orange color and every color just looks outstanding. So yeah, this is amongst the best looking smartwatches and the closest looking watches compared to an Apple Watch Series 9. So yeah, this is very close, and the best part is its size is also 45 mm. So this is very close to the real Apple Watch deal. So that is amazing. And we also have a lot of other watch faces. I really like this compass one. It just looks elegant. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below, obviously, but yeah, I do really like it as well. Now let's just talk about the features of this watch. Now in terms of features, we already assume that yeah, these clone watches do not have features which are real, but guys, believe me, this is the first watch which has a real heart rate working sensor. Like, this is amazing. The heart rate sensor works, and I have even tested it with a real BP machine, which tells you the real blood pressure as well as the real pulse, and this thing is just incredibly accurate. Like, I'm just amazed by how accurate it is in calculating your heart rate, which is amazing. Like, this is very close to the real machine, and that is just outstanding, guys. I really like the way it shows the result. As you guys can see, it calculates the real time blood pressure as I speak, and obviously it is gonna be a little higher because I'm speaking as well as shooting the video, and I'm doing a lot of stuff at the same time. But yeah, the point is, it does work. It works perfectly fine. That is the point. I just love how good it works, and it is real, so you can actually rely on that. But again, obviously, as I said, nothing is perfect in this. Some things are always bad. Let's just talk about the bad stuff. So yeah, the step counter is a hit or a miss. Sometimes it shows you less steps, sometimes more step, and yeah, you just really can't trust the step counter. And at this price, I don't think you have to actually trust really on the step counter. So it's just a okayish kind of thing. But then again, as I told you, the brightness is insane and the viewing angles are insane. So I'm gonna increase the brightness to the maximum. You guys can see, look at that. It's incredible how, like, at any angle you will be able to see the watch without any problem, which is just amazing. So we have incredible brightness, incredible viewing angles, which is a very important feature because normally watches do not have good viewing angles, but this is an AMOLED watch, in fact a super AMOLED watch, which has incredible viewing angles, and I really like it. So yeah, it's completely visible in the sun, and most people actually just assume that you're wearing a real Apple Watch with the way it looks and feels, and I just love the way it looks. Like, guys, this is very well built. The strap is good quality. The sides are also made out of metal, which is actually an alloy, but yeah, it's quite premium. The crown is very good. It doesn't make any noise, and you guys can see the sides are also curved, so the glass actually is curved like a real Apple Watch Series 9. And you might be concerned about the durability, but believe me, it's very durable. I have dropped it 10 times. Let me just drop it in front of you guys. Look at that. Let's just drop from the side, and yeah, it's not gonna break. That's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you like it. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep watching Gadgets Sphere, and yeah, peace out.